Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize marketing automations in BackAgent, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your BackAgent account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where all your tools and settings are displayed. Look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the marketing section from the menu options. In the marketing section, locate and click on automations. This will take you to the automation setup page. Here, you will see any existing automations you have created. To authorize a new automation, click on the New Automation button. You will be prompted to enter the required details for your automation. Fill in the name and description fields to identify your automation easily. Next, specify the triggers that will initiate the automation process. Select the conditions under which the automation should run. Ensure each condition meets your marketing objectives. After setting the triggers, you can choose the actions that should follow. Select the actions that will be executed once the automation is triggered. Once you have configured everything, review your settings for accuracy. Look for the Authorize button at the bottom of the page. Click on the Authorize button to finalize the automation process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your automation has been successfully authorized. If you experience any errors, double-check your entries for any inconsistencies. Once authorized, your automation will start running according to the specified triggers and actions. Remember to monitor the performance of your automation regularly for optimal results. This concludes the step-by-step guide on how to authorize marketing automations in BackAgent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.